What is 41.1? No, you got 41.1 as a value, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, how did you get 41.1? You added all, right? Monday ka, Tuesday ka, Wednesday ka, Thursday ka.
Yeah.
Correct. So what is that? That's the sum or total, right? What is the question asking? Is he asking you the total or is he asking you the average? What is mean? What does mean mean?
Average.
Right. So average ke liye what are you supposed to divide it by?
Average. We have to divide it by the number of observations.
Exactly. So how many observations do we have? Chaitanya, check
7.
division. Yes. So what is 41.1 divided by 7?
It's going to take me time.
No problem. You got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Logic to be clear. Calculation you can do it aram se. Now, Popat 22 is what? What's 22? 22.
Sir, no, sir, it's 8.22.
Pardon?
I don't think, sir, there's no 8th question, no, sir. I think it's 8.22.
What is 8.22? Average.
Well, I don't know.
How do you get 8.22? 41.1 divided by 7.
Sir, I didn't do it. It's not my question. It's somebody else's.
Okay. Now, Popat says 22. Unmana says 3.2. What are these answers? What is 22 and what is 3.2? Sorry, third one is 2. Okay. Sorry, I didn't see the point. Third one is 2. Popat, what are you saying? Chaitanya, average always lies between the smallest and the largest value. Your division is wrong. Your answer is correct.
Yeah.
You did it right. Karthik, you're right. You're right. It's not 58.7. It is 5.87. Check your division. No, you gave up. Your mind didn't give up. You gave up. Check your division. Popat, what's 8.22? Unmute yourself. Speak to me. I'm waiting for Popat.
Sir, why don't you unmute him?
He's not. No, I want him to speak. Why can't he unmute him? I cannot unmute him. I can only mute him. Unmana, 5.8 ka rounding off is wrong. When you round off 5.87, you write 5.9. You don't write 5.8. That is what I'm trying to say. Your answer is correct. Your rounding off means you've made a mistake. Are we clear? Popat, you got the idea? There was no rain on one day. That's what he's saying. When he says 0, that means barish giri hi nahi. There was no rain.
Sir, not 1 day, 2 days, no, sir. There was no rain.
So whenever we have 0, that means there was no rainfall on those. Simple as that. So you're obviously going to consider that. Suppose a student scores 0 marks. You don't consider him kya while you're calculating the average? You do, right?
So, but if we consider also, there is no point, right?
Why isn't there a point? Let's clear your question. Why isn't there a point, Chalo? Priscilla, is that you who spoke? I can't see the audience.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, we have 5 students. First one got 10 marks, second got 20, third got 30, fourth got 40, fifth got 50. What is the average? Arithmetic progression average kya hai?
30.
Correct? This is when we have 5 students. Now, first student got 0, second got 10, third got 20, fourth got 30, fifth got 40. What is the average? Priscilla. What is the average, Priscilla?
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yeah. I was waiting.
If we do it arithmetic way we can do it as 20, but I'm saying like if we don't consider 0 and we're adding 10, 20, 30, 40 and dividing by 4. So is that right?
See, but you're ignoring this entire question only, no? This entire part is being ignored by you. Value wise, your answer is right. It is wrong.
Voice is breaking.
Okay, your answer is right value wise. Value wise, your answer is wrong logic wise. That's what I'm trying to say. Is it still, is my voice still unclear? Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, sir, you're clear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, you are
Priscilla,
clear.
what I'm trying to say is, you ate one entire observation. You eat the entire 0, you're not even considering this extra 1. But remember when I asked you to find the average of the first 5 whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You wrote what? 2, right? You
So, but
considered
those
0.
numbers, those were not rainfall or anything.
Does it matter? We're dealing with numbers. I can say anything. I can say weight of 10 tigers. I can say weight of 10 humans. I can say height of 10 boys, height of 10 girls. Do the values change? Now, forget that the question was whole numbers. If I tell you find the average of these 5 numbers, what do you do? 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 5. Am I right?
Yes.
What do you get? You get 2. Or even if you use the concept of arithmetic progression, you get 2. But what you are doing is you are saying a 0 ko uda do. I do not care about the 0 because it has no value. Let's just do it for these 4. Correct? So what are you doing? 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is again 10.
Yes.
10 divided by 4. What is the answer? 2.5. You see the difference?
Yes.
You have to consider every observation. Are we very clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You get a doubt, you will clarify it yourself. Don't worry. What is the range, guys? Simple. Highest value 20.5, lowest value 0.0. What is the range? 20.5. Simple. First wala clear. Yes. What is the mean rainfall of the week? What is the total? 41.1. How many days are there? 7 days. What is the average? 5.87 change. All right. Third one. On how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Less than 5.87. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On 5 days it was less than 5.87. Are we clear? It was more than 5.87 only on Tuesday and Friday. Is this question clear?
Yes, sir.
Karthik, unmute. Speak to me.
Sir, I am not able to understand the last part you explained.
Okay. Read the question for me.
Sir, from starting?
The third question. Yeah, only the third bit. That's what you didn't understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Read it for me.
On how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall?
Right. So what is the mean rainfall? What is the value?
Sir, it's
5.87, correct?
yes, sir.
Now, how many days do you see that the rainfall was less than 5.87, Karthik? On Monday, what was the rainfall on Monday? Was it less than 5.87?
Yes, no.
Is 0.0 less than 5.87?
No, sir.
Is 0.0 less than 5.87 value wise? How are you saying no? Which is greater? 0 is greater than 5.87.
Sir, 5.87 is greater than 0.
Yeah, so what is the question? How many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Less than 5.87. How
Yes.
many days? What is the question? So on Monday, was it less than 5.87?
Yes, sir. Wednesday. Thursday.
Tuesday. Yeah. Okay. Friday.
No, sir.
Saturday.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Sunday.
Sunday. Yes, sir.
So how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many days? Are we very clear?
Yes, sir.
Good night. Chalo. Next is your favorite question, guys. Thank you, question.